like to go over this beautiful 1895 Keystone electric bipolar motor. This is one of, at the time it went into the museum, this was one of 3 known examples. We have been fortunate to have had 2 examples, one of which we sold, the second of which we are now offering. This would have been a utility motor on day one. Unsure of what its application would have been, what it may have been used for, but could have had any number of pulley, an arm, who knows what may be attached to the shaft on this. This motor we have found operates somewhere around 5 volts DC. It also has 2 poles on the commutator, so it could have been used in a spin starting application, because here's what, on this example, we have to sort of define the rotation with this motor when we started. I believe that the finish on this motor is original. I believe all the pinstripes original. I think some of this commutator, brush holder, some of these brass components back here on the back of the motor have been cleaned at some point, but overall the motor displays as being relatively 100% original. Someone has waxed it, given it a really good cleaning, so the finish and the pinstripe just look absolutely amazing on it. I believe these coils may have been lightly re-insulated at some point in its life, so I mean, they have a really good period look to them, but yet are pretty darn perfect. So I mean, it's just a beautiful, rare, if you're into motors, if you're into utility motors, it's a beautiful example by Keystone Electric. They're a little known company out of Erie, Pennsylvania. And again, pretty rare example. And this example is part of the museum collection of Steve Cunningham. So this motor has resided in the Antique Fan Collectors Museum for the past, I think it was there about 20 years. Since 2004, this has been in the Antique Fan Collectors Museum on display there. So first time it's been offered, in over 20 years, and an excellent addition to a collection. If you're a motor collector, fan collector, just overall like really interesting and cool items. So, again, 3 to 5 volts DC, and we're going to put some power to it. So it's like a functioning piece of artwork. So there you have 1895 bipolar electric motor by Keystone, an Erie, Pennsylvania company, electric motor company.